After guys, my project talk about CMXI. And para siyang Flappy Bird but airplane mode. Um, overview, overview of the project is it used to create animation, interactive content, and multimedia applications. The primary purpose of this project is to develop simple animation which can relate be exported into formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, or QuickTime for sharing or submission. Um, Next is the presentation of the work and paano ko siya ginawa. Then, first, the stage design. I've chosen a visually appealing layout with harmonious colors and elements that enhance the animation theme. And ang aking theme is I think is New York, and yeah, the objects I use is I guess a button, two buttons, and I draw a plane which I papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And the animation details, the animation involves movements such as transitions and scaling providing smooth and engaging transition. Um, the timeline and layers, the animation was created using multiple layers to separate background and objects and motion elements. And for the plane, I applied motion twins to create a smooth animation for object moving across the stage. The symbols, of course, the play and tutorial buttons. Then my frame rate is 12 FPS or 12 frame frames per second. Team selection, the design reflects specific theme, whether it's playful or formal artistic depending on the project requirements. The theme I use is the New York. My conclusion for this project demonstrates the core principles animation design and technical skills using Adobe CS3 by combining motion, color, and creativity. It meets the project's requirements for the stage design and output formats. The final animation is polished function and ready for use multiple platforms. And ito na, papakita na natin yung ating gawa. Okay? So, enter lang natin. Yan. For the first, tutorial muna tayo kung paano laruin yung game. Just tap space for the function. And if you crash the plane, just press R. Then, ito na. Ito na yung pinaka-intend nyo. The project itself. Yeah. Ah, that's it. For better use, ito kasi parang nagbabag siya dito. Open na lang natin siya sa mismong ano niya. Yeah. Yeah. Ito pala. Ito yung final output niya. And if you crash the plane, just press start. Come on, start, right? Start. Start. Hindi natin maka 5. Kaya. And that's all. I hope you learned something. And that's my prior project. Thank you. I'm John Villar Nando from BSI 3A Animation Project. Thank you.